Hello guys.
Hi guys.
We're standing here at Stadtkino in the beautiful city of Vienna, where we will be hosting this year's Ebike Future X, which is a conference part of the Startup Festival of ViennaUP. And this year it's in a kino, meaning a cinema, so it'll be a very, very perfect atmosphere to hear about the program.
And the program is like, we start at 1 p.m. with the fantastic keynotes from speakers from all around the world, and we mix it with startup pitch competition, so it's gonna be fantastic. So if you like e-bikes, business, startups, innovation, this is the place to be.
Oh, maybe there's one thing to say. So Stadtkino, and right over there, Steve, let me see, this is Karlsplatz, where at 5 o'clock there will be the ViennaUP after party. So Friday the 16th from 1 to 4. Happy to see you guys.
Happy to see you guys. We are running some movie, but we're gonna run something much better. Ebike Future X, so get ready.